MySpace.com.
Brian's the first serious boyfriend I've ever had.
Meg, can I talk to you for a second? Look, this has gone a little too far. I like you. I think you're great, but what happened at the dance was... I mean, that kiss was just a mistake.
Oh no, did I do something wrong?
That's probably that guy.
I didn't sniff your butt first?
No.
Get him!
That's how I would know you were interested, but Meg, the fact is, you and I are friends, and that's the way it needs to stay. Besides, I have a girlfriend. I'm dating Jillian.
All right, Brian. I understand.
Good. I'm gonna grab Stewie, and then we can go.
Choo-choo.
I knew it! Oh, I knew that guy was getting a ticket.